Hi everybody, I'm Emily. Welcome to the Big Map Out 2021. So glad that you're with us. And today we are going to be talking about how to go outside in our spaces. So your teachers are going to have some instructions for you before you head out. But as soon as you head out that door and come into your outdoor space, take a moment, take a breath. Maybe close your eyes, listen with your deer ears, take a couple whiffs in through your nose, with your dog nose, what's on the wind today, feel the sunshine or the lack of sunshine, the wind on your skin, and then from there, start walking in your space. And you will find more animals and you'll scare less animals away if you walk with your fox walking, with heel or like front of your foot, then heel and then toe, front of your foot, heel, toe. And you can walk out into your space like that. And a couple more things, one more thing to think about is how to stay together. Because when we're outside, we want to make sure we're staying safe and together. And so we've got a couple of animal calls, code calls to do with one another so that we stay together. One of them is that your teachers might say, might do a coyote howl to say, come on in, gather. And it goes like this. Can you try that? Let me hear it. Nice. Okay. And then also crow call. Caw, caw, means that, and anyone can make that call, and that means, hey, come on over here. I found something right here. Look at this. I want to show it off. For instance, a leaf with something on it. So those are those calls that will help you stay safe and have fun outside. So here we are out in our garden, and we've been exploring for a little bit, and we came across this awesome spider. Look at this spider. Look at her in her web, yellow and black. She's eating a snack. And so we've been observing her for a little bit, and this might be a good chance to use some of your tools that you will have when you go outside, such as a field guide. So you'll have some field guides that your teachers will have. This one happens to be spiders. And we found the black and yellow garden spider. And so you get to read about the spider and find out like when it comes out during this time of year. And so those will be great to have with you. You'll also, when you go outside, have some tools, such as like a magnifying glass that you can use to maybe see things up close a little bit better. Oh yeah, gosh, look at those asters. Those are so cool. And then also you'll have a journal, and you can journal whatever you find. Maybe put the date, 9/24/21, and then maybe you could even draw your spider and get close and see, where the legs are going out, all of that. Do a little sketch, and those are our tools. Another thing that we'll do when we go outside is we'll go to our nature spots. And these nature spots are away from others. It's your time for you to spend by yourself, but you're not alone. You're with nature. You're with the insects that might be crawling on the ground that you get to look at, maybe the plants. Maybe you want to build something like a little fairy home or another structure. And it could also be a great time to take off your mask, take a deep breath. You might want to close your eyes and just listen for a little bit. You might want to journal in your journal. And it's really just a time to unwind and be with yourself and with nature. And then when you hear a coyote howl, it'll be time to come out of your nature spot and come back into the big group. Great job, everybody. Now that we're done exploring our space, it's time to go inside and map our findings. And stay tuned for more instructions on how we're going to be mapping our spaces in the weeks ahead.